get you a flat screwdriver. Let's disconnect, you know what, just cover our electric cooling fan. I want you to pay attention. Look at this right here. Now, good thing we pulled off. And you actually hear the antifreeze coming down that pipe. We're good, looking good. All right, we'll be right back. All right, the next thing we're gonna do is take a pry bar. We're gonna go around. Here, this is what I mean. Look how long that bolt is. So now we put it right there. So now we know, and start putting this up there.
Don't you have to change the thermostat housing?
Yeah, it can change the camera kind of stuff. All right, we'll be right back. All right, guys, back over to the car. We're gonna go to the top. Let's grab our handy dandy tool. Up. All right, again, those are 15 millimeters. These are the 15. All right, so what we got? We got our two 10 millimeter bolts right here that we're gonna need. That was actually to hold this whole assembly